watch another amazing video that I have for you. Of course, thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making, so you won't miss anything. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, let's talk about something that I am trying to get into, which are wigs with bangs. And so I did this pink one right up here, and honestly, I felt like I really loved it, even though it was a little, you know, it's very uncertain when you do something, when you have something for the first time with the bangs and missing your eyebrows. So it's just kind of acclimating yourself to a new look. So definitely what I always say with wigs, before you say it isn't gonna work, wear it. Like, wear it for an hour, wear it for 2 hours, just wear it out, maybe to the grocery store, because sometimes it just needs to like sit on your head if it's kind of jarring or different. And you just need to kind of like ease into it. Wig, actually from the same company, they were kind enough to send me actually 3 of the colors of this wig, and it comes in 14 colors. 14, ladies and gentlemen. And one thing I love about this wig is that it's $15, and I really feel like you would never know that it's $15. When I first put it on my head, I was like, oh my gosh, I think I'm in love. I think I found my bang wig. So here's the company. I think it's pronounced eNilecor. Maybe I'm wrong, I'm not exactly sure, but I'll leave the link down below for this company and the link for the wig, and as well a coupon code. They gave me a coupon code, so you can save even more money with that. Also, this did come with a wig cap right here, a netted wig cap. If you choose to use that, I'll be using my nude one. This is not a front lace wig, but it really almost doesn't need to be because it's banged. But here is the inside. Let's just kind of spin it around. No combs at all. Just has the fasteners in the back right here. This has a medium wig cap as well. Take a look at the front, so you can just take a little look here at it. So there's absolutely like no parting at all, and it actually looks really great. And of course, if you wanted to kind of cut down on the sheen, even though I feel like it looks perfect. Like, I don't think it looks shiny at all, but if you did want to cut down on that, use baby powder or dry shampoo. Okay, so I have my wig cap in nude here, which I got from Amazon. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. I'll leave the link down below for that, so you can go and get it. Ooh, whoa. I mean, I definitely feel this is Pulp Fiction / Betty Page all day long. I mean, look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm so in love. Okay, let's just kind of brush this out a little bit. I did not feel like this has any sort of major shedding or tangling. Let's just get this. Look how adorable this is. I mean, for real. Isn't this just super cute? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm gonna just pull the wig back just a little bit so I can kind of do like a modification. Let me kind of even this out a little bit. I think this is a pretty good look for me. Now I'm gonna bring it back just a little further, almost like a shorter bang, exposing my eyebrows. what do you guys think about this? Do you think like this is super adorable? This actually has a lot of really great reviews from ladies, and honestly I was so excited to give this a try, and also because I couldn't believe with all the great reviews that it was only $15. So I think it's so cool. I'm definitely gonna wear it out because I feel like it is so incredibly sassy. Wig is also heat safe. Now it definitely had a lower temperature of 233 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you do choose to modify the wig, you can do that. And of course there's a coupon code down below. So of course, reach out to me, leave me a comment down below. I honestly love to hear from you. I am tickled when I get messages from you, when you comment, when you send me photos of you wearing wigs. I love it. And let me know if you have a favorite banged wig. If you actually have this wig in another color or whatnot, I would love to see you and your favorite banged wig. Of course, I will be reviewing this wig. They sent me a blonde one, super excited, and also I believe a pink or pink purple one, but can't wait for those. And of course, remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in a black, chic, bang wig bob, wear it, love it, feel it. And I want to thank you